back with a very beautiful, peaceful beachfront stay in North Goa at S2 Beach Cottages in Morjim. This is the entrance. It's one of the hidden gems that offers a perfect mix of relaxation, beach vibe, and cozy cottage living. Located right in front of Morjim Beach Road. It's actually ideal spot for the travelers who want to wake up to the sound of the waves and enjoy the calm side of Goa. So yeah, it was my time because right now I'm having a cute little small baby and I just want to have a relaxation time. This is the reception. At this moment, there is no one, but yeah, at the time when you will be checking in, there will be a person who will help you to get inside, have your key. The guard will help you with your luggages and all. Apart from that, the accommodation, I will let you know how the accommodation is here. Further, we'll go inside first to have a look. It's not that crowdy beach, but yeah, it's among one of the cleanest beaches. Yeah, this is the entrance. So locals are allowed to go inside because there are shacks. Not much, few are there, but locals are also allowed. But nobody will be allowed to go inside your cottage area. So it's a kind of very peaceful area where you can lay down, have a coffee or drink and just enjoy. Now just have a look at the cottage area, how greenery it is, and yeah, I just love it. The cottage are just around the greenery, having a natural and soothing vibe. It's an open space where you can sit and enjoy the sea
The
breeze.
property area is only for residents. This whole property is open for outsiders as well because it's connected to beach. This area is only restricted. These are for everyone. Look at the restaurant they are having. Breakfast included in a packet, but it will be a la carte. Not much options are there, but yeah, it's good.
Okay, now let's move forward to my best part of this resort, the beach. Okay, because the property is located directly on the beach, there are plenty of relaxation activities. You can enjoy your sunbathing, watching the sunset, trying water sports like surfing is there, yeah. Exploring nearby beaches like Assam and Mandram.
Very quiet and peaceful area. Not much people come here, so you can enjoy your stay.
Room number 12 cottage. There is a portico, what you'll be getting. Yeah, here you can sit and enjoy if you don't go out there. Nice view.
This is Morjim Beach, chats, restaurant, everything is literally just. He's just closing the door for you guys. We have checked in yesterday, but didn't get any time. This time we came with our infant, our baby. Yay. And this is the room. Yay. Yay. Cuckoo. This is the table, what you will be getting, a study table. This is the full view of the room. A nice wooden choomer. This is the queen size bed. That camera is ours for our baby to watch him when he's sleeping, and then we can go out to the beach, have this amazing view. This is a side table. There is a side table. 2 night lamps are there. Wall painting. Oh. This is the wardrobe. Here you can get, you'll be getting hangers, hang clothes, a locker, slipper, towels. Yeah, that's all. A hair dryer as well. There is no refrigerator in this room. This is the washroom, and it's quite cool. These are the toiletries, what you will be getting. Ah. Here it is. Do like and subscribe and comment if you need any more detail what I missed and do you want to know. I'm there for you. Thank you so much. But please do like, subscribe is very important. Bye bye. And that's all. Do like and subscribe.